ocean though? Oh,
yeah. No, you're good. Big crab. Oh no, she got wet. Oh,
sorry.
Okay, your turn.
Let me just. Did you get your umbrella on the coupon or something?
No, I took it when we were out one night because someone else stole mine.
Oh, okay.
Disclaimer, don't arrest me. It's the umbrella distribution system in Korea. It's just how it is. Nice. It's so big. Man, my hands be shaking. Oh, my leggies. So I forgot to record the food when it was cooking, but here's what we've eaten so far. Mushroom graveyard. You'll never know. Everyone else's tables are clean except ours. Crazy.
코리아 속초 레드캡.
Oh, okay, 감사합니다. Oh, that was so awesome.